Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email example responds clearly to the given situation. If you need extra time to read the full email, feel free to pause the video now. First, the email directly covers all three required bullet points. For instance, it clearly provides the writer's name and address, explains the writer's interest in community activities, and requests information about upcoming events. The structure of the email is very clear and suitable for formal communication. It begins politely with a greeting, "Dear Community Center staff," and has short, clear paragraphs each focused on one idea. The tone is polite and friendly, making it appropriate for communication with the community center. Notice the linking words used, such as because, so, especially, also, and if possible. These words help connect ideas smoothly, making the email easy to follow. Additionally, the email includes two helpful stretch words for a slightly more advanced vocabulary: participating and assistance. As a beginner or lower intermediate learner, it's helpful to organize your email clearly, like this example. Start each paragraph with a simple sentence explaining its main idea. Use linking words to make your writing smoother and easier to understand. Always remember to close your email politely to leave a good impression on the reader. This explanation will show you why the response is effective for CELPIP writing task 2. If you need extra time to read the complete answer, you can pause the video now. The writer clearly selects option A and states the choice right at the beginning: build a playground for young children. Two clear reasons are provided to support this choice. First, children need a safe space to play, and second, playgrounds help to build a stronger community. The answer is very well organized, starting with a clear opening sentence, followed by two focused body paragraphs. Each paragraph discusses one main reason. The writer finishes with a concise conclusion, restating why the playground is the best option. The tone of this response is semi-formal, suitable for a community survey. The language is straightforward and sentences are easy to follow, ensuring the reader clearly understands the writer's opinion. Useful linking words include firstly, secondly, and although, helping to connect ideas smoothly. Additionally, the response includes two stretch vocabulary items suitable for slightly advanced learners: supervise and beneficial. This explanation will clarify why this response scores well on CELPIP Writing Task 2. Pause the video if you need more time to read the entire response. The writer clearly selects option B, install outdoor exercise equipment for adults and seniors, right at the beginning. They provide two clear reasons supporting their choice: encouraging adults and seniors to stay active and healthy, and creating a positive social environment. The organization of this response is strong, starting with a clear introduction and choice, followed by two separate paragraphs explaining each reason clearly. The conclusion is brief and summarizes the main reasons effectively. The tone is semi-formal, perfect for responding to a community survey. The language used is simple and clear, making it easy to understand the writer's opinion. Helpful linking words include firstly, secondly, while, and in conclusion. These words connect the ideas smoothly, improving readability. Additionally, the writer uses two stretch vocabulary words suitable for slightly advanced learners: inclusive and maintain.